Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So at this moment, we have Ethereum at around $1,700, and it's working its way up, trying to get over that 100-day moving average. Now, the other interesting thing is that Ethereum is also approaching that $1,800 price, which is a very key price for Ethereum to get over, because there's been some times in history, looking back at it, that when it manages to get over that $1,800 price, that the price does tend to break out from there. Now, it's $1,800 is also a really good support for Ethereum, that if it's able to manage to hold on to that, it has really good possibilities of being able to continue to stay above that. It really took a lot, when you think about it, for Ethereum to even fall below that $1,800 price. Now, we've also seen Ethereum move 50% to what Bitcoin's moving in the last month. So we need to be looking at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart and get a look at this as well. So a lot of really important things to look at with Ethereum, and as well as some other news that is out there. So let's cover all this as we do. If you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm and help spread this content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now, I make this content every single day. So if you do like crypto related content, please do be sure to subscribe and keep up on it. Now let's get to it. So I want to be clear real quick. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. So my technical analysis is going to be based off of my personal bullish opinion. And I'm also just somebody on YouTube and not here to give you financial advice because, well, I'm just someone on YouTube. So please do take that in consideration as well. This is for entertainment purposes only. So with Ethereum at around $1,700 right now, the price is trending upwards. We're right around that 100-day moving average, which is this greenish tealish line right here that is trending, that has been trending downwards, but the price of Ethereum is very near to surpassing that and hopefully finding support above that. Now, the key thing is this pattern that we're currently in. Now, if we continue staying within this trajectory, then hey, we can easily be testing that $1,800 price here very soon, as long as we do not fall out of this pattern. Patterns are very important to follow. This is how I like to do my technical analysis, by basing it off of what the pattern is doing on the graph. So that's one way I look at it. Of course, anything can happen anytime. This could completely just follow this pattern and follow a new pattern of its own. It's very unpredictable. So basing it off of the pattern that we're currently seeing, this is what I'm seeing Ethereum doing. So it's trending up to this $1,800 price. Hopefully it's able to get to that, because like I had shown in the intro there, that this $1,800 price is one that is very key. Now, to be honest with you guys, if you guys have followed my channel for a long time, you'd know that I actually have put this $1,800 line here on Ethereum a long time ago, over a year ago, when I was discussing the prices of Ethereum and what things have been going on. So when we had passed that back in August of 2021, I had made it clear that Ethereum, it just gets very bullish after it passes that $1,800 price, or it's also an area where Ethereum has a lot of support that it can hold on to, because, well, it's tested it many times at that price. And like just like what we had seen when it had fallen through that $1,800 price, when it had done that back in June, that was a dark day for Ethereum, because, well, Ethereum held on so strongly all throughout 2021, where it could have easily fallen through many times before, but it didn't. It just continued going up and up and up after it had that big correction that had happened back in May of 2021. So a couple big key bullish things to point out here. So when the price of Ethereum had managed to break over that 50-day moving average, which is very key, because if you pay attention to the moving averages here from the second quarter, beginning of April, how that 50-day moving average, the price had not been able to really come close to that after it had started to just continue dropping. So it really had a lot of distance between the price and that 50-day moving average. And you look at that 200-day moving average and look at that distance that 200-day moving average has compared to the price of even Ethereum right now. So things have really managed to spread out with that steep price decrease with Ethereum. So after it had managed to break that 50-day moving average here in back in July, and it tested that multiple times. So it managed to hold that support above it. It tested that support above it, and then it had multiple pumps within that. So when the price had pumped up to test that 100-day moving average, it's now tested that multiple times as well. And we have this 20-day moving average crossing over that 50-day moving average. So things are really bullish there. But also, I mean, you think about this volume activity here with these price pumps that we're seeing. And so this is telling us that we have these multiple green days, which have a lot of buying activity within them. So a lot of positive volume activity within Ethereum, a lot of excitement with the Ethereum merge. And also, let's look over at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, because this also says something as well. So we get one side of details when we look at the Ethereum USD chart, but the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, looking at the price movements on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart and looking at the last 30 days here, looking at how we had it at 0.05 and also managed to rise that price up to 0.075. So a 50% move there over a month. So Ethereum has moved 50% on Bitcoin in a month. That is insane. There's just so much excitement here with this Ethereum merge. And also, look at this 20-day moving average, how it just has broken through that 50, that 100, and that 200-day moving average. The price movements here with Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is just insane. And that 50-day moving average currently between that 100 and 200-day moving average right now. So things are really moving with on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart here. So that's something to really take into consideration, that Ethereum's having some insane pumps, but keep in mind, there could be some bearish things hiding here in between, and that is with this rising wedge here. This rising wedge could also be a sign that we could be seeing a price drop here. There's a possibility of one. So that could be a bearish possibility, but at the same time, anything's possible, and hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully Ethereum keeps pumping. Hopefully Ethereum gets over that 100-day moving average. That's the big key thing there. And we can possibly see that price of Ethereum work its way up to above $1,900, or at least just stay above that key price of $1,800, a price that we would love to see Ethereum manage to be above. So anyways, that's what's currently going on with Ethereum. Now, since I am so bullish on Ethereum, I'm hoping for continued positive price movements upwards. I know that we are seeing a little bit of decline in the price at the moment, but given these price pumps that we are seeing and seeing how there's so much excitement for the Ethereum merge, hopefully this continues. Hopefully we really kick off the next week with a lot of good news in the crypto market, in the stock market, especially also with the CPI data. Maybe that might be the big missing link here, and that could be one of the things that is keeping the price of Ethereum down below that $1,800 price. So multiple things that could be going on, but I really do think that we are going to be seeing Ethereum here very soon getting over that $1,800 price, and then continue to see that price pump up here, given the next week or two is a real possibility, as long as we continue to test that 100-day moving average. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Do you think that we're going to continue seeing these price pumps with Ethereum, or do you think there might be some bearish activity here coming up? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.